Hi, Mark. Today we will learn how to express opinions in English.
What is an opinion?
An opinion is what you think about something. For example, you might say, I think this movie is interesting. In my opinion, this restaurant is very good. I believe exercise is important. These are opinions.
So, an opinion is not a fact. It is something we personally think. Exactly.
Exactly. In conversations, people often ask for opinions. For example, what do you think about this movie? Do you like this restaurant? What is your opinion about online learning?
Yes, people ask questions like that very often.
And when they ask, you need to express your opinion clearly. Let's practice. What do you think about reading books?
I think reading books is very useful.
Good. Now add a small explanation.
I think reading books is very useful because we can learn new ideas.
Excellent. Adding a reason makes your opinion stronger. One of the easiest ways to express an opinion is using I think. For example, I think this cafe is very comfortable.
That sounds natural.
Yes, now let's add more detail. I think this cafe is very comfortable because it is quiet.
That sounds like a clear opinion.
Exactly. Let's practice. What do you think about morning exercise?
I think morning exercise is very healthy.
Good. Add one more idea.
I think morning exercise is very healthy because it gives us energy.
Excellent. I think is one of the most common phrases in conversation. Another way to express your opinion is saying, in my opinion. This phrase sounds a little more formal. For example, in my opinion, this park is the best place to relax.
That sounds polite.
Yes. Now let's add more detail. In my opinion, this park is the best place to relax because it is peaceful.
That sounds like a strong opinion.
Exactly. Let's practice. What is your opinion about learning English?
In my opinion, learning English is very important.
Good. Add a reason.
In my opinion, learning English is very important because it helps us communicate with people from different countries.
Excellent. You expressed your opinion clearly and politely. Mark, another useful phrase for expressing opinions is I believe.
Is it similar to I think?
Yes, it is similar, but I believe sometimes sounds a little stronger. For example, I believe regular exercise is important.
That sounds like a strong opinion.
Exactly. Now let's add a reason. I believe regular exercise is important because it improves our health.
That sounds clear.
Let's practice. Tell me your opinion about studying every day.
I believe studying every day helps people learn faster.
Very good. Add one more detail.
I believe studying every day helps people learn faster because practice improves understanding.
Excellent. Using I believe makes your opinion sound confident. When you express an opinion, it is helpful to explain why you think that way. For example, I think this restaurant is very good, but we can make the opinion stronger. I think this restaurant is very good because the food is fresh.
Yes, the reason makes the opinion clearer.
Exactly. Let's try another example. I think this park is beautiful. Now add a reason. I think this park is beautiful because it has many trees and flowers.
That sounds natural.
Now it's your turn. Tell me your opinion about traveling.
I think traveling is very interesting because we can see new places.
Excellent. Explaining your opinion helps people understand your perspective. Now let's talk about giving simple reasons. In English conversations, people often use the word because. For example, I like this cafe because it is quiet.
That sounds very simple.
Yes. Another example. I enjoy reading books because they help me relax.
I see. So the word because connects the opinion and the reason.
Exactly. Let's practice. What do you think about learning languages?
I think learning languages is useful because it helps people communicate.
Very good. Now another example. What do you think about exercise?
I think exercise is important because it keeps our body healthy.
Excellent. Simple reasons make conversations clearer and more meaningful. Mark. Sometimes when people share their opinions, you may agree with them. Agreeing politely is an important conversation skill.
Yes, that happens often in discussions.
Exactly. Here are some simple ways to agree. I agree. That's true. I think so too. You're right. For example, I think reading books is very useful.
I agree. Reading books helps us learn many things.
Very good. Now another example. In my opinion, exercise is important.
I think so too. Exercise helps us stay healthy.
Excellent. Agreeing shows that you understand and respect the other person's opinion. Sometimes you may have a different opinion, but it is important to disagree politely.
Yes, we should be respectful.
Exactly. Here are some simple phrases. I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but I think a little differently. For example, I think watching TV every day is relaxing.
I see your point, but I think too much TV is not healthy.
Excellent. Another example. In my opinion, studying late at night is the best time.
I'm not sure about that. I think studying in the morning is better.
Very good. Polite disagreement keeps conversations friendly. Now let's practice a real conversation about opinions. Ready?
Yes.
What do you think about online learning?
I think online learning is useful because people can study from anywhere.
That's true. But in my opinion, traditional classrooms are also important.
I agree. Face-to-face interaction helps students communicate better.
Exactly. Now another topic. What do you think about traveling?
I believe traveling is very exciting because we can discover new cultures.
I think so too. Traveling helps us understand the world better.
Yes, and it creates memorable experiences.
Excellent conversation. You expressed your opinion, gave reasons, and agreed politely. Mark. Sometimes people compare opinions. That means we talk about two different ideas and explain which one we prefer.
Yes, like comparing two activities.
Exactly. For example, I think watching movies at home is better than watching movies at the cinema
Why?
because it is more comfortable. Now listen to another example. I think studying in the morning is better than studying late at night.
That makes sense.
Let's practice. Which do you prefer, reading books or watching TV?
I think reading books is better than watching TV because books help me learn new ideas.
Excellent. Comparing opinions helps create deeper conversations. Another way to express opinions is talking about personal preferences. You can say, I prefer, my favorite is, I enjoy. For example, I prefer tea to coffee.
That sounds simple.
Yes. Let's add more detail. I prefer tea to coffee because it feels more relaxing.
That sounds like a clear preference.
Let's practice. What do you prefer? Studying at home or studying in a cafe?
I prefer studying at home because it is quiet.
Very good. Now another question. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy comedy movies because they make me laugh.
Excellent. Sharing preferences helps people understand your personality. Sometimes opinion conversations become very short. For example, what do you think about traveling? Answer: I think traveling is great.
Yes, that sounds short.
Exactly. Let's extend the opinion. I think traveling is great because we can learn about new cultures and meet new people.
That sounds more interesting.
Yes. Now let's practice. What do you think about exercising regularly?
I think exercising regularly is important because it helps us stay healthy and active.
Excellent. Now add one more idea.
Exercise also helps reduce stress.
Perfect. Adding reasons and extra ideas makes your opinion stronger and keeps the conversation longer. Mark, now let's have a full conversation using opinions. Remember to use phrases like, I think, in my opinion, I believe, because. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What do you think about learning English online?
I think learning English online is very useful because students can study anytime.
That's true. But in my opinion, learning with a teacher in person is also important.
Yes, I agree. A teacher can correct mistakes and give feedback.
Exactly. Now, another question. What do you think about traveling?
I believe traveling is very exciting because we can experience new cultures.
I think so too. Traveling helps people understand the world better.
Yes, and it creates unforgettable memories.
Excellent conversation. You expressed your opinions clearly and naturally. Now, let's try a small challenge. I will give you a topic and you share your opinion. Ready?
Ready.
Topic 1. Reading books.
I think reading books is very useful because we can learn new ideas and improve our knowledge.
Great answer. Topic 2. Watching movies.
In my opinion, watching movies is a fun way to relax after a long day.
Very good. Topic 3. Exercising regularly.
I believe exercising regularly is important because it keeps our body healthy.
Excellent. You explained your opinions clearly. Mark, let's review what we learned today. What are some phrases to express opinions?
I think, I believe, in my opinion,
Excellent. What word can we use to explain the reason for our opinion?
because.
Correct. So the simple structure is opinion to reason. For example, I think traveling is exciting because we can discover new places. Simple English can express strong ideas. You don't need complicated grammar to share your opinion. In the next episode, we will learn how to ask better questions in English conversations. This will help you keep conversations longer and more natural. Thank you for practicing today. See you in episode 15.